Ginawa ito mag-isa.
So that's a different one? Steak?
On the left side, steak 8-8.
Oh.
Very...
この辺りで
But I need split it. This is for salad. This is
Okay. Let's try it.
order.
じゃあ、まだ来てないけど。
はい、じゃあいただきます。
チェアス。
Cheers.
チェアス。乾杯。乾杯。乾杯。
Thank you.
ありがとうございます。
今回の授業にがあるんです。あ、それを紙で。
Go to 7-Eleven.
Cook this.
This one?
Yes, this
Oh.
one.
I hope it looks like that when we cook it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
昆布とかあれとか入れて。とっても上手。Ideal time is 2 or 3 hours. Yeah, not
やらない場所がありますよね。これがさ、
the 2 or 3 hours. It's easy to separate.
ないです。
で、読み番組で。
何か当時まではもう
Laki nung akin.
どんどん癖からね。
This is the seaweed tempura. Ito daw super famous. Like whenever they bring this to Tokyo for like an Okinawa fair, the people from Tokyo, they have a lot of different food. Pero ito, si seaweed tempura, siya yung may pinakamahabang pila sa fair. I'm so excited to try it. And I cooked it. I cooked it. They use milk for their tempura. Wow.
で、あっちがおばちゃんがやるからさ。
Sweet is like a omelette, so that's kind of easy to eat.
やります。
Oh, I'm afraid. That was scary. But I did it.
きつね色になるまで揚げる。
Tempura nila wala ng sauce kasi season na siya.
温
Tapos ang saya kasi all
い時は生
natural.
砂糖をにして立て
After that,
温かいうちの味見と
Hot.
Good. Good. 味 okay?
Seaweed. This is seaweed tempura. Very healthy, all vegetables. You guys should try. I cook this. Init.
Mayan.
I did this.
I like it.
It's like a healthy version of tempura.
Guys, parang bagay siya sa ketchup.
Chef で、3枚って言うから本当の方は3枚っていうことは
Slice. Ako gumawa nun. Ako nag-deep fry. Oh, baby. Wife niyo.
Okay.
Even though the
切
boil.
ってねで結ぶこれ
Something. This is.
Be careful.
This is.
This is freaking good. Kulang pa.
昆布あれ
Wala ka daw doon.
This is finish. But first, go cheese sabida.
こっちさはいで先
これ何でも合いますよ。
何にでもね
Guys, so thing is,
So now we're gonna do the mermaid experience. We're actually in Onna village and
Look, let's show them.
my God.
You guys can see it?
Yung pupuntahan natin mamaya. This
yeah,
is such
yeah.
a beautiful place. Actually, yung sikat dito guys, weddings. Babe, it's either dito sila kinakasal, dito ginagawa yung shoots nila, or dito sila nag-honeymoon.
Okay.
Sobrang daming islands. There's a lot of activities na pwede nyong gawin. I'll show you later actually.
Alright, so the funny part is, this girl right here is gonna turn into a mermaid, but it's 20 degrees out here. So
Kaya nakaganito ako.
medyo
But,
malamig.
look what's inside.
Nabee Beach.
Yo.
Okinawa?
We're gonna go there later. Yung rock formation na yun. Pakita mo sa kanila, it's so beautiful.
So, I think if it's high tide, umaabot dito yung tubig. And parang ang sarap mag-swimming dito.
But either way,
Oh, pili ka na, B. Pili ka na.
I'm gonna be the purple one, bro.
Pili ka na, baby. Sira na ka na maya,
This
B.
one, done it.
Oh, that's cute! Guys, screen record dito para pwede natin siyang i-blackmail.
I don't mind.
Hello, merman.
Hi.
Feeling ko pinapatay na ako ni Miggy sa utak niya.
No, I'm actually enjoying it.
Oh.
Nice.
Same pose, please.
Oh, with
同じ
me?
二人同じポーズ。
How fancy is this banyo? A specific area for like retouching because I feel like part of the Japanese culture, it's not really polite to retouch in public areas like train, ganyan. Ito kay vanity mirror, ang dami. Cute! So this is the famous ice cream here in Okinawa.
Hi. Oh, wow. Wow.
Yum!
So nice outside, guys.
Guys, nag-order si Miggy ng 4 scoops. Nakarinig na ba kayo ng taong nag-order ng 4 scoops? Share naman kami dito. We ordered 2 vanilla, 1 Okinawa cookie, no love. And this is cookie, parang cookie crumble.
こういうところはでもあるんですね。
I cooked something like this earlier. Spam. Ang galing nila, especially yung girl.
レディーからスタートいたしましょう。
Guys,
He wants to search your account. How do you search your account? G? G. あ、もちろんもちろん。で、後でこれSo you get 2 followers now.
He's famous or something. Sobrang cute nila, guys. Pinalo nila kami. Guys, andito yung restaurant and sobrang, ayan na yung car. Sobrang famous niya. Like, each table from different parts of Japan. Like, Osaka, Tokyo, Kobe, Nagoya. So, like, binibisita talaga siya. So, Okinawa is like, very famous local spot for them. Sorry, hindi ako nakapag-intro ng maayos nung start ng vlog kasi anong nangyari nun? 5 a.m. kami umalis ng bahay. Tapos nakarating kami sa final destination namin. Gabi na. So, ayun. So, we are back in the hotel. And tomorrow, which is going to be another vlog, we'll be flying to Ishigaki Island. I'm packing kasi may local flight tayo ulit tomorrow. We are very touristy, really visiting parts na sikat sa mga tour area. And usually that's what we do when it's our first time to be in a place. Like, ganun naman talaga, di ba? Pag first time mo, parang you have to see all the must-see places. Next time you come back, yun na yung must chill and exploring small areas, kanyan. Parang sa Korea, ganun, di ba? Sa Korea, hindi na tayo touristy masyado kasi nga parang napuntahan mo na. So, we just want to chill, go back to places you love. Did you ito? Looking for like yung mga underrated, hindi sikat na places naman. So, nilalabas ko yung kailangan ko for the airport. Change clothes. Tomorrow, bikini. Yes, we're gonna do some island things tomorrow. I actually didn't know na may, tingnan nyo, halatang-halata magpapack na kung ginamit ko na yung pantulog dito. I actually didn't know na like, may islands na parang islands na may snorkeling sa Japan. Kasi, when you think of Japan, the first thing na may isip mo is Tokyo, Osaka, snow, winters, ganyan. But, I'm glad I visited this part of Japan. And I feel like my family will really enjoy it here, especially my mom. So, I'm a vacuum now. Mas mabilis gamitin yung electric vacuum, but hindi siya like 100, hindi niya 100% nasusuck out yung air, mga 90% ganun. So yung 10%, you can stop there na, pero kasi yung mga jackets ang kapal, so I really wanna make sure I get rid of all the air. So I do the manual thing pa. Ito, mas matagal lang, pero mas nasa-tighten yan. Tingnan nyo, mas lumiit siya. Sign na wala ng air kapag nahihirapan na kayong hatakin siya. Huwag nyo pansinin yung mga dust bag ko. Hindi siya pairing. Tamad na tamad ako nung nagpapack ako. So, kung ano na lang yung makuha ko. I can buy myself. Baby na LSS na akit. GoPro, I saw it. Legit, everything I touch, nakawala. Just tell me if you have. Okay, very good. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna go down. Go to 7-Eleven and get some food. Madami naman yung sinerve kanina, but I feel like it's really the Filipino in me na pag walang kanin, feeling ko. Gutom ako. Ito yung itsura ko. Hello. Yan yung itsura ko. Nagkatrabaho ako, nagdump ako ng files. Saan siya? Bakit palayo ako? Natatakot ako. Ba't ko ba ginawa ito mag-isa? May nakita ko dun sa kanan ko. Statue lang pala. Ito na, tatawagan na kita in real life. Kasi di ko na kaya. Sumugot ka please. Di kita marinig. Ito yung hotel. Ayun yung 7-Eleven. Ibang door siya. So, hindi ko alam kung makakarating ba ako sa room ko. Ibang wing ata to. 610 ako eh. Ibang wing nga siya, guys. Ano ba yan? Okay, sobrang funny. Pumasok ako, nag-work yung key, nakaakit na ako sa 6th floor. Wala yung room number ko doon. Yun na lang may ate. Meron, ito nasa kaliwa ko, meron dito kanina statue. Tagal namin nagtitigan. Statue pala siya. Kala ko ayoko pa naman yung malambot na yung noodles ko. Ay, wala na, na-absorb na niya lahat ng tubig. I-test ko to. Tapos pumasok ako sa isang part. Akala ko yun na yun. Chicken! Gusto ko yung matigas na cup noodles. Alam niyo yun, yung medyo half cooked. Kain kayo. Kain tayo. Habang nanonood ng Dirty Linen.
You can't stop it now.